Perched on an incomparable lot within Tree Farm, this modern mountain residence is the epitome of subtle sophistication. It blends both aesthetics and functionality perfectly. I am so excited to share it with you. Welcome home. The experience of this home starts before you even enter, with Mount Jefferson framed perfectly through the front entry. As you step inside, the interior unfolds as a masterclass in design, with the living spaces marked by their sleek lines, generous windows, and an open layout that fosters a seamless interaction between the interior and the natural surroundings. An abundance of natural light fills the space, illuminating and highlighting the transitional blend of wood, stone, and metal that we will see throughout the home. This well-appointed and spacious kitchen serves as the hub of this great room. It ties nicely with the dining area, and just around the corner we have a butler's pantry with kegerator and wine fridge. In the great room we have a nice blend of a full wall of stacked rock fireplace, a concrete hearth, exposed steel beams, La Cantina sliders walking out back and framing the mountains so nicely to the west. The first floor of this home is well laid out, with a main level ensuite bedroom on one end of the home, with an additional den or flex space for TV, entertaining, and even a spot for rock climbing, as well as an area for a home gym, extra storage, and a garage that has no shortage of room to store your cars, toys, tools, and even a nicely sized RV. Heading upstairs, you can't help but notice the continuation of the mountain modern feel, and you will find two additional spacious secondary bedrooms, an additional laundry room, an office with unparalleled views, and a nicely sized primary retreat with walk-in wardrobe, large soaking tub, heated floors, and direct outdoor access for those calming evening sunsets. The outdoor living is taken to unparalleled levels. As I walk through the sliding doors, I emerge onto this patio with overhead heating, and there are multiple terraces and patios out back for fire pits and gathering, as well as this beautifully manicured lawn and garden space. This home offers an unbelievable combination of design and lifestyle. We invite you to come experience this amazing home for yourself.